Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we're going to show you exactly how to reset IP address on Android step by step. If your connection feels slow or unstable, this quick reset can really help fix it. Now let's get started. Step 1. Unlock your phone and open the Settings app. You can easily find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. This is where all the important system and network settings are located. So we'll begin from here to access your Wi-Fi options. Step 2. From the settings menu, scroll down until you see the Wi-Fi option and tap on it. Once you're inside, tap on the name of the Wi-Fi network you're currently connected to. This will open up all the details and configuration settings for that particular network. Step 3. Scroll down again until you find the section labeled IP settings. Here you'll see an option that says DHCP. Tap on it and then select static. Changing this setting allows you to manually assign or refresh your IP address, which can help fix certain connection issues. Step 4. After that, tap on the IP address field. Now enter the new IP address you want to use. Make sure it's within your network's valid range so it connects properly. Once done, tap the check mark icon at the top right corner to save the changes. Your device will automatically reset IP address on Android and reconnect to the network. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more quick and helpful Android tips.